Unit 8. How's the neighborhood? Page 50. Exercise 2. Conversation. I just moved in. Listen and practice.
Excuse me. Hi, I'm your new neighbor, Greg. I just moved in.
Oh, yes.
I'm looking for a grocery store. Are there any around here?
Yes, there are some on Pine Street.
Oh, good. And is there a laundromat near here?
Well, I think there's one across from the shopping center.
Thank you.
By the way, there's a hair salon in the shopping center.
A hair salon?
Page 51. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. There is, there are. 1. Any, some.
Is there a laundromat near here?
Yes, there is. There's one across from the shopping center. No, there isn't. But there's one next to the library.
Are there any grocery stores around here?
Yes, there are. There are some nice stores on Pine Street. No, there aren't. But there are some on 3rd Avenue. No, there aren't any around here.
Prepositions.
In. On. Next to. Near. Close to. Across from. Opposite. In front of. In back of. Behind. Between. On the corner of.
Page 52. Exercise 4. Pronunciation. Reduction of there is, there are. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice how there is and there are reduced in conversation except for short answers.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is. There is one on 1st Avenue.
Are there any coffee shops around here?
Yes, there are. There are some on Pine Street.
Page 52. Exercise 6. Listening. We need some directions. Part A. Listen to hotel guests ask about places to visit. Complete the chart.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, please. We need some directions.
Sure. What are you looking for?
Well, first of all, we're looking for the Flavors of Hollywood restaurant. How far is it from here?
Oh, it's just a few minutes from here. Right across from the post office.
The post office on Western Avenue?
Yes, that's the one.
Is Flavors of Hollywood a nice place?
Well, I think so. The food is good, and there are some interesting things to look at in the restaurant from movies like Rocky, The Terminator, and Titanic.
Great. And where is the Museum of Modern Art?
Well, that's near the City Concert Hall.
Near the City Concert Hall. Okay, I know where that is. And what's the museum like?
Actually, it's small, and it doesn't have any famous art, so some people think it's not very interesting.
Oh, then maybe we won't go there.
One last question. Is there a zoo in the city?
Yes, there's a very good one. The city zoo is only about 6 blocks from here. It's in the park next to the train station.
Oh, good. That's not very far from here.
No, it isn't. Definitely visit the zoo.
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Page 53. Exercise 8. Conversation. It's very convenient. Listen and practice.
How do you like your new apartment, Alana?
I love it. It's downtown, so it's very convenient.
Downtown? Is there much traffic?
Yeah, there's a lot. But I don't drive, so it's okay.
Oh, that's right. Is there much crime in the area?
No, it's pretty safe. The difference is the noise.
Really? Is there a lot of noise?
There's a lot on the weekend from the Italian restaurant downstairs.
Oh, that's too bad. But is the food at the restaurant good?
It's incredible. Hey, would you like to have dinner there on Saturday?
Yes, I love Italian food.
Page 54. Exercise 9. Grammar focus. Quantifiers. How many and how much. Count nouns.
Are there many restaurants?
Yes, there are a lot.
There are a few. No, there aren't many. No, there aren't any.
No, there are none.
How many restaurants are there?
There are 10 or 12.
Non-count nouns.
Is there much crime?
Yes, there's a lot.
There's a little. No, there isn't much. No, there isn't any.
No, there's none.
How much crime is there?
There's a lot of crime.
Units 7 to 8. Progress check. Page 56. Exercise 1. Listening. Jimmy's Weekend. Part A. A thief robbed a house on Saturday. A detective is questioning Jimmy. The pictures show what Jimmy really did on Saturday. Listen to their conversation. Are Jimmy's answers true or false?
Hello, Jimmy. I'm Detective Roberts. Can I ask you a few questions about your weekend?
Hi, Detective. Sure. What do you want to know about my weekend?
Now, just tell the truth. Where were you at 1 p.m. on Saturday?
1 p.m. on Saturday? Well, oh, I remember. I was at home. I watched the baseball game on TV. Yeah, the White Hats won, 4-0. It was a great game.
Okay. Where were you at 3 p.m.?
At 3? Oh, yeah. I went to my martial arts class like I always do, every Saturday at 3.
Martial arts, huh? Well, okay. And what did you do after that, at 5 p.m.?
Oh, well, after class, I visited some old friends of mine, Jordan and Stephanie Smith, on Lake Street.
Yeah? Jordan and Stephanie Smith. We'll talk to them. Now, Jimmy, 6 o'clock. Where were you at 6 o'clock?
At 6? Well, I went home at 6. Yeah, to, clean the house.
Yeah, so you cleaned the house. Now listen carefully, Jimmy. Where were you at 8 o'clock on Saturday night?
At 8? Oh yeah, I remember now. I was at home. I watched a terrific movie. Yeah, it was great.
Oh, you watched a movie. And what movie did you watch? What was the name of the movie, Jimmy?
The movie? The name of the movie? Let me think a minute. It was a fantastic movie.
Really?
No, wait. I remember. It was, well, it was exciting.
Okay, Jimmy.
And I clearly remember that I went to bed at 10:30, exactly. Yeah. I watched the movie, and I went to bed right after, the movie. Yeah, boy, I was tired. A long day, like I said.
Interesting. Very interesting, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. Let's go down to the police station.
The police station? Me? Why me? I was at home on Saturday night.
Sure, Jimmy. Sure.